In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify domain ownership in Webflow. To get started, head over to Google Search Console and log into your account. Once you are inside, look to the top left corner and click Add Property. This is where you tell Google which website you want to verify. From the available options, choose URL prefix. Here, you will need to enter your full custom domain exactly as it appears live on the web. It's important to use the correct version of the domain, so Google can verify the right property. After entering your domain, continue to the verification options. Google will show you a meta tag that includes a content value. What you need from this section is only the alphanumeric string inside the content portion of that tag. Do not copy the entire meta tag. This part matters because Webflow only needs the code itself, not the full HTML snippet. Once you've copied that code, open your Webflow dashboard and go to your project settings. Inside the project settings area, navigate to the SEO tab. This is where Webflow gives you a dedicated field for Google Site Verification. Paste the code you copied into the Google Site Verification field. After that, save your changes. This next part is extremely important. You must publish your site to the live domain. Simply saving the code in Webflow is not enough. The verification code has to be present on the live version of your website so Google can detect it. If you skip publishing, the verification will usually fail, even if everything else was entered correctly. Once the site has been published successfully, go back to the Google Search Console tab. From there, click Verify. Google will then check your live website for the verification code you added through Webflow. If everything was entered correctly and the site is published to the correct domain, the verification should go through without any issues. A quick tip before you finish: if verification doesn't work on the first try, double-check that you copied only the code inside the content field, that it was pasted into the correct verification field in Webflow, and that the site was published to the live custom domain, not just saved in the designer or project settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching.